People want to get things that are limited amounts. If I say, look, I'm having a special giveaway today, but it's only open to the next 5 people who sign up, people will rush to get the thing. Let's go. Folks, if you're ready for some unfair information, I'm gonna show you, taking off the shit to show you exactly how this works. And I'm gonna go to a little bit of the dark side almost of marketing, because it's so unfair how these can affect people's brains. The first marketing hack is scarcity. When you tell folks that there is a limited amount of something available, people just want to get it. People want to get things that are limited amounts. If I say, look, I'm having a special giveaway today, but it's only open to the next 5 people who sign up, people will rush to get the thing. If I say I have a special link down below, and maybe I do, maybe I don't, but only 5 people, the first 5 people who watch this video are gonna see, people wanna get in on it even without knowing what it is, okay? Scarcity is huge. But there's another thing which works even better when combined with scarcity is urgency. Urgency is when there's a specific time window that you can get something in. So if I said I'm doing a giveaway for the next 5 people who watch this video all the way to the end, and it's only good today only, that adds urgency. That tells people that in order to get the item, they must act today.